We got a plaz table, and we got us a new water jet. By the way, I'm BC at Spirit Cars, and Daryl, what are you officially? You're a fabricator? Do you have
welder
a title?
Fab.
You're a welder fab.
Yep.
Who knows how to use the computer, so you build the CNC parts off the plaz table. So we've got a water jet, and we've got a second plaz table, and we're going to put the water, we're going to move that other, no, we're not going to move that other table here. We're just going to move this table out of here. So if you're going to buy this table, because it's for sale, it will not be set up working, so I'll tell you to watch this video, and you can see it work. And actually the date, what is the date today? We're just before Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
It's November.
17th.
So I don't have a price on it yet. But we bought this table a few years ago. It had one motor, and we added a second motor, so we've upgraded the table. And everything's new, everything's working. I mean, is there any issues with it? Do you know?
Do what?
Any issues with it, do you know?
I have no issues at all whatsoever. Like I said, it's ready to go right now. I've programmed it in for cutting 2 power brake brackets that we use on our 23s and our 27s. And it does an inside cut at first, and then it does the outside cut. So it's ready to rock and roll.
All right, so let's see it make something.
Okay, watch your eyes.
The program's in there. We'll burn the eyes of the viewer here. So you can nest it. It makes the different parts. It reaches down, it touches, it knows what it's doing. Cut, burn. What is that, a shock bracket or a shock piece?
It's actually a power brake bracket.
Power brake. Oh, okay. So it's gonna make a big bracket. I thought it was gonna make a little washer. This looks like it's 3/8, quarter inch. We cut 2 brackets, pull it out. It's pretty clean. You still got to clean it up a little bit. Not bad. The water jet will actually clean it up a lot better than that. That's the unique one. But you can see how tight you can put the parts. If you nest them in there, you can build a lot of parts. You can build. How thick will this cut? Do you remember?
3/8.
3/8.
Well, that's the thickest we cut.
Well, that's right. That's the thickest we cut.
Yeah, it could cut something thicker.
So it comes with a hypertherm plasma. And the thickest we cut is 3/8, but I think this will cut a lot more than that. I don't know what the number is on this, but it's a good machine. It's a 3-phase machine, but I believe you can wire it at single phase. The table itself, we got it sitting on a plenum that it draws all the exhaust out of that and up the wall, so you could sell all that with it too. We don't need that. It works.
It's a 5x10 table.
It's a 5x10 table. Works good.
4x8 sheets is what we use.
The slats on the table, these are all replaceable.
Yes.
But they're pretty new. They don't really need to be replaced right now. They come right out. Just put new sheets in every once in a while. And we've actually made this boom right here. You can see this boom. We've made it. Had some parts. So it really works well as the table moves. It's a lot better than having it kind of drag along. So that will come with it. Comes apart pretty easy. It's not too heavy. So there it is. Once we take it apart, it's going to be apart, but you can watch this video to see that it does work. Again, don't know the price, but you can call Spirit Cars, 870-425-5900, or Spirit at Spirit Cars to get more information about it if you're interested.